Hello, everybody. I'm starting this one with a little bit of a rant. You may find funny or may not find funny. Pretty much had it with life, had it with work, had it with a lot of stress lately. And I am trying to relax. And what happens when I try and get a good wave for you guys and I can't find my phone? So, because of that, you missed two wonderful sneezes. And here I am sitting waiting for the others as usual. I know, I'm probably not patient enough when it comes to the sneezing powder. In fact, I'm probably far from patient, but it's only because, as I've explained to a lot of you who follow me and subscribe to me and comment, that when I sneeze, I really don't sneeze that much. One, because I think even though I love to hear sneezes and hear myself sneeze, I think I conditioned myself to the point where I would try very hard to either suppress sneezes or hold back if I could, and would usually not sneeze if I had a cold or even anything, which I still don't think I have that many allergies, but I think I might have like dust and pollen and allergens that might irritate my sinuses a little bit. Anyways, I'm talking here and not doing the act of trying to get more of this powder in my nose. I'll do that really soon here. Being a little bit annoyed and stressed actually made me want to reach out to everybody, say hello. I love everybody who follows. I'm sorry that I don't do more personal messages. It's not something that I don't like. It's just maybe where I am with my life and my family life that I don't use as much because I can be a social butterfly. I just don't need to be a social butterfly maybe as much because of my family life. And I do need to focus on my family life, which I hope everyone understands is important, even though I do love you all, and this is why I do the videos that I do. I'm going to try a little bit more of this powder in the right spot. I bet I can get enough in the right spot. Thank you to all of you who gave me suggestions on what to try and use with this. See if I can get it to work. I think maybe one thing I was doing too is I maybe was trying to use it too often. Even though it does say you can use it a lot, I probably was trying to use it too often and not giving my nose a chance to rest. When you do that, I think it was maybe suffocating it a little bit. But then, as I said, I've done way too much talking already, and I am going to try and get some more sneezes out here for you. Maybe see if I can do this with tissues handy, but try and do it uncovered as much as possible. Oh. being able to get the right spot all the time. But then using other ways of inducing also makes me tear up more, which is actually the tearing up and the sinus drainage is the more annoying part. I know that there's a lot of you who follow me who love the nose blowing, but I, as a personal one, don't care for it as much. I prefer just the straight sneezing. It's not working very well, though. That's what I get for having used a little bit of powder already today. This is obviously not being successful. I'm going to try one more thing and one more method here. You know what, body? I don't think you want to sneeze. I'm going to come back to you later. Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.